There's something special about a well-loved kitchen. It's cozy and inviting, and it's where we spend so much of our time. And I must say, I have been inspired by With Love Meghan to do a little bit of a kitchen refresh. Now, whereas her show is about cooking and entertaining, I've been peeping behind her and checking out what's going on in her kitchen, and I noticed that she is using her charcuterie boards and her cutting boards to decorate her space. So she's blending function with beauty, and I thought I can do that. So in today's video, I'm going to refresh this side of my kitchen cabinet, just kind of refresh it for spring. And I'm also going to do a little bit of zone 2 cleaning since we're in zone 2. And I'm going to wipe away any signs of those uninvited spring guests, ants. So let's get it started. Of course, no refresh is complete without a good wipe down. And speaking of wiping things down, spring isn't just bringing flowers. As I mentioned earlier, it's also bringing ants. To keep ants from making themselves at home, I like to wipe down my counters with a vinegar solution. It disrupts their scent and keeps things fresh. If you've ever had to battle these tiny invaders, you know how important it is to keep counters crumb-free. No sticky spots, hopefully no little surprises later. For extra protection, I use a solution of peppermint oil and water along the entryways, right there along the windowsills and those baseboards. Some people also swear by sprinkling cinnamon as a natural barrier. It's a great option and often cheaper than ant traps. It's just another little way to keep our kitchens fresh and pest-free. If you have these spring invaders at your house, what do you use to get rid of them? Tell me in the comment section. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. Now my favorite part is styling this space. This coffee canister used to be my mom's, and it was one of the things that I wanted from her kitchen when she passed on. And I've had it just sitting in a cabinet, just up there, but now I'm using it to warm up my kitchen like she used to use it for in her kitchen. And I might even put some K-cups in it. Now I like the look of this space. It is simple, it's practical, but it's also just a little bit stylish. There's not too much, but just enough. I still got plenty of prep space, and it just makes the kitchen feel just a little bit more warm and inviting. Apple spice tea. While I'm here in Zone 2, the kitchen, my 15-minute task for today is cleaning the Lazy Susan pantry. It's amazing how many crumbs collect here, particularly around the toaster. And I figure if there's ants over there, there's ants over here. So I'm going to wipe this counter down as well. And to finish it off, a fresh dishcloth and a fresh dish towel. What small change have you made in your home that made a huge difference? Let's swap ideas in the comments below. And join me again for another day of everyday homemaking. I'll see you next time.